If there's one thing bringing us together as an industry these days, it's the technician shortage. This has been a problem for years now, and to be honest, it doesn't seem like it's going away anytime soon. However, finding and keeping quality techs isn't a hopeless pursuit, it's an investment. There are still changes you can make to ensure you're putting together a team that's built to last. Here are 5 ways you can shift your strategy to attract and retain those quality techs. Focus on your current techs. Upselling current customers is much easier than trying to find new business. So you should follow the same logic when it comes to your techs. Retaining your current techs is a much more cost-effective option. Train your techs. With vehicles increasing in complexity every year, continuing education is more important than ever. Providing assistance for educational programs goes a long way to building morale with your current techs. Pay your techs fairly. If a technician isn't well compensated for their work, they'll never be happy. The amount that they're paid is a constant reminder to them about how much they are valued. If they feel dissatisfied with their current rate, your technicians may move to another shop. Farm incoming techs. If you're on the hunt for new technicians, high school and post-secondary level automotive programs are a good place to look. Consider setting up an apprentice situation where a student comes to your shop for a few hours each week to watch, work, and learn. If all goes according to plan, the student gets hands-on experience and you get an entry-level technician that you can mold. It's not as ideal as finding a tech with more experience, but in this climate, you have to exhaust every idea. Retain your retiring technicians. Legacy technicians are a valuable part of your team. They have decades of experience, and even though they're nearing full retirement, there are ways to modify their roles to pass their wisdom onto your younger techs. It's important that you don't wait until you need a tech to implement these changes. Safeguard your shop against the technician shortage and read more about it in our blog, How to Hire and Retain Quality Automotive Technicians. And remember, Bolt-On is here to help grow your business.